Hello, Dan here in Practical Angler. On a pretty frosty California morning. So we have here my camera mount, 1/4-inch aluminum rod, threaded up. Here comes a car. And you see here I got a lot of different angle options. A lot better if I tighten it down all the way. I can pivot the head so it can go either way. Up or down. So all I have to do is set it. Take a picture. Very easy thing to do. Hope you guys try to make your own or something better. One of the parts I really like about it is when you're done, loosen it up, and you can still fish. Doesn't get in the way of the rod. Thanks for watching.